Matthew chapter 28 from verse 1 to verse 9. Now after Sabbath done, early Sunday morning, the first day of the week, come, Mary Magdalene and the next Mary go look on the tomb. And all of a sudden, one wicked earthquake shake up the place, cause one of God's angel them come down from heaven and come roll with the stone and sit down upon it. Him did look bright like a lightning, and him clothes did white like snow. The guard them did so frightened, them a shaky in them bone, them drop a ground and tiff out like a dead. But the angel said to the woman, them say, "No afraid. Me know say a Jesus you know I look for, the one where them kill upon the cross. He not there, cause God make him come back alive, just like what him did say. Come look which part him did a lay down. Then hurry up and go tell him follower them say, him dead and come back alive. Him a go a Galilee till you no come. When we see him there when you no reach. Me tell you no, when me did fit tell you no. Listen what me say and do what me say you no fit do." The woman them take off quick. Them frightened and glad same time. And they run go tell Jesus follower them. But Jesus meet them up and said to them say, "Heal." Them come to him, bend down a ground, hold on upon him foot and worship him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.